First, I will try to tell you how to convert 2D object to 3D object. Just it is a revision for 5 minutes. So, how to convert 2D to 3D objects. Okay, these are steps. This is the topic, means just for revision purpose. So, what you have to do is you have to first draw a particular object. So, I am taking one small circle. This is a circle one, and next if I wanted to create a duplicate copy of this one, then what you have to do, holding control key and shift key, just click and drag. That is for creating a duplicate copy. What is the shortcut key? Control plus shift plus click and drag. Then select the object, go to shape format. In the shape format you have shape effects. Okay, go to shape effects, then go for here 3D rotation. In the last option in the 3D rotation option itself, click on this. When you click for, and let's say I don't want 3D option, I want 3D format, click the 3D format. And how do you want top level, top bevel and bottom bevel? So I am going to take the top bevel is to be in the rounded one and increase the width around 90. I'm going to type this value 90, press enter key. Okay, I don't want to take 90, I'll be taking 70. And height is also I'm going to take 70. Okay, if you're not satisfied, then I'm going to take 90 and 90, and this side again you take 90, bottom again 90, but let it be, this one is to be the bottom side. Okay, but still there is some dot is there inside this area. Okay, then what you have to do, make this to 50 both the side. Okay, 50, 30, 30. Okay, little bit is okay. Then take 40, 40. Okay, now it's come to normal. 45, 45. So this bit okay now. Okay, then what you do, change the color as you like. See, sorry, we don't want. So this is the color mode, the depth one. Okay, let it be automatic. If you wanted to change the color, click and select, then it's changed. And go to again in the 3D mode. Okay, and remove this outline. So whatever outline we have, that you remove it off, and say outline is removed. Now it's similar like a what, ball. It's look like what, ball. So earlier what I had 2D, means circle, it's converted into 3D. Okay, then again you click this format, and what you do, rotations. In the rotation concept, how do you want, so just rotate it. See this, see, now bottom side also I have increased the same value. Okay, next what you do is, in the bottom side, if I reduce this for 10, see, and again 10, see, now it's look like what, cap. Correct, huh? Then again go to this 3D rotation, and x axis, y axis and z axis. Now what again you change the color as you like. Go to shape format. In the shape format, what you have here, color. So take the color and change it. Suppose still if you're not satisfied, then what you do, go to contour. In the contour part, sorry, not contour part, material part. In the material, and see this, is it applied? Material you apply as you want. See, click on this and it's going to be changing the lighting effects. Is it looking, is it looking good? So apply this, whichever is looking good, that you apply. And even for this one also you apply whichever you want. So what I have applied for that material, click the material and apply. See this, and again you take the normal one. See, the lighting effects is that affected now. Okay, then see, till then see, and go to this normal one. See, if you don't want, keep that the 3 point how it was happened and increase the point. See the lighting, you see the lighting effect on each corner, you can see in the 3D way. Okay, so this is how you can work in 3D. Next, if you take shape for whichever, like I'm going to take the circle like this, means rectangle, rounded rectangular. Okay, and again holding control plus shift plus drag, and what you do, so take this fill color and whichever color you want to apply. Okay, like I'm going to take some dark color. Okay, then next I don't want outline color, remove that and go to 3D format, and let's see. See, you can create your own button styles. So I don't want in the bottom side. Okay, let it be in the area and increase the point. So like 45 to 45 and see. Okay, and again you change the effect in the 3D. Suppose if you don't like this soft rounded, then go for cross one. See. Okay, then what you do is rotations, x axis, y axis. See, got it? See what happened? Okay, next again make the duplicate copy. So stamp it. Okay, now it is similar like a table. Okay, or else put one more time like this. Opposite of this one. Bring this and see what happens. It is a normal table. And increase this points. Could you see the changes in the width? How much big you want, you can increase this. Okay, then height. See, is that increases? Okay, and rotate it. See now, cleared. sir, if I want shadow effects, then go to shadow here and apply this. Okay, any doubts now? So it's not visible because it's 3D now. Okay, if you wanted to see that, then you have to rotate it. Clear? Any doubts now? This is all about 2D and 3D. So you try whichever object you want and apply it. And next, one more thing I forgotten to tell you. So take this rectangular. Okay, draw square object. Holding Control plus Shift plus click and drag, you will get square object. What you will be getting? Square object. And again holding Control plus Shift plus click and drag, you will get duplicate copy. First time when you are clicking and dragging, then it is square object is going to be creating. One more time I will be repeating. Take the shape. Okay, without holding Control key and Shift key, if you click and drag, then see what is this? Rectangular. But I don't want rectangle. I wanted to have which one? Square object. So holding Control plus Shift plus click and drag. Okay, see this? How much size you want and you take. Then holding Control plus Shift plus click and drag for making duplicate. Next, sir, I wanted to modify this. I wanted to change the corner. How can I modify the shape? So what you do is select this, and here we have a points, edit points, edit the shape. Okay, so click edit points and click and drag. See what happened? Okay, suppose, sir, I don't want this point. What you can do, right click and delete the point. See, it is deleted. Next, sir, I wanted to make this curve. So click on this and bring that into curve mode. And this side is also convert that into curve. See what happened? It is a arc. See, the shape is converted into half curve portions, arc-wise. And again, what you do is take the duplicate copy, Control plus Shift plus click and drag. Then what you do? Again, go to shape format, then edit the point. So when you are editing, sir, I don't want this curve line now. So what you do? What you want? So you want straight line. So for that, what you do is just right Next again delete this point. And you delete this one also. Click on, take this, increase this, and again you delete one point here. Sorry. Could you see? Edit this, click on, bring this to down and make this to up. See what happened? I most of the things I have finished as a heart shape. Got it? Okay, then convert that in this way and bring this to edit mode. Okay, enough. But later on you can edit and give a particular shape. So, but what you understood by this? How you can convert normal square object into 3D object, means not 3D object, how you can design the shapes. So this is the original one. I converted this one and again I converted to this one. So what you have to do is you create a leaf shape. What is that? Leaf. Okay, one more I would tell you. Take this, take a again click and drag to draw a which one? Circle, duplicate, uh, modify this. How many dots you have? So if I wanted to convert that into shape, then what you can do? Right click, then straight point, again right click, corner point, again right click, corner point, right click, corner point, right click, corner point, and also sorry, take this straight point. And could you see the changes now? Suppose if I wanted to have only one side, if I wanted to make some changes, so you can redesign the shape. See, again you can bring this, right click, delete the point. How many points you have? Only 2 points. See, okay, and again take this into normal one. Do control Z for that when
Okay.
Okay, then I wanted to make this to opposite side. Then what you do? Huh? I wanted to. Okay, then you click and drag like this. See what happened? Opposite side. It is flipping. Okay. Just click and drag. So again you take decrease this inside of this area. Is it looking good now? Okay. Next, what I want to do is select this. Go for transparency. So check out here. Okay, we don't have transparency mode here. Fill color. Okay, for multiple color we don't have okay, so here we have a transparency. See this, the transparency mode. Could you able to see? Look at this little bit. I'll make a close to you and see this. When the transparency is set this to 0, then it is fully visible. When you increase the transparency value, that is not visible. See, got it? ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಇರೋ ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. See this? Okay, and see this. Increase and can take a little bit up. Understood? Take the one and increase this. Is it looking good now? See the changes. So first one, second one, right click, then group. So select these two object and bring that. Okay, any doubts? Next, again do copy paste. Okay, then click and drag how you want. You can create a object. Click and drag. See, clear? So you can create x number of designs. Okay, then if I wanted to decrease that option, see this. Could you see the changes? And again select, decrease the changes. Is it looking good now? And bring this to front side. Clear? Is it good? Okay. Select all the object, right click, group it. Okay. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ? So by doing this assignment, how to apply multiple color, then how to change, how to edit the shape, then how to convert into 3D. Okay, at least you try this one itself is enough. Okay, and next you try to create eyeball. Eye. Okay, eyeball you create. Not eyeball, you have to take outside. Okay, then you create in different manner. Okay, next I will try to take this. Look at this. I am small circle in the bottom. Click and drag. Then you apply multiple color as I said. Take this multiple color. What is that? Gradient color. Whichever color you want, you apply it. And remove the outline. And whatever style. So take the property and change the color. Gradient. Little bit you take the gray color. Okay, is it looking good? Okay, then what you do, again you take a speaker and top side. How do you draw a speaker here? So increase this and take a rounded corner, means a rounded rectangular button. Click and drag. Then remove the outline color. Where is this outline color? And take the fill color and bring this enough. Okay, place it properly outside. Okay, next I wanted to have a wallpaper. Okay, how do you do wallpaper here? Okay, again you make duplicate copy. Okay, then first I will try to download. Go to open google.com mobile wallpaper. You type mobile wallpaper. Click and drag and you take whichever right hand side. Okay, so take this and apply this for image outline. What is that outline? Go to shape, it's too heavy. Okay, leave. And I'll go for one more. Okay, forgot. Take this is shape, then apply black color, no outline color, then right click and send to back. Send to behind the text. Is it looking good now? See? Okay. So select holding shift key, select individual object and make this to group. 3, 4, 5. This one is selected, second one is selected, third one is selected, fourth one is selected, then fifth one is also selected. Right click, group. So once it is grouped, then decrease this. Look at this. Decrease this corner, means height. That's all. Now see what happened. Okay. Any doubts? So these many shapes you have to be created by make use of shape option. Any doubts? Hmm. Next, sir, I wanted to insert a screenshot. For example, I have this Google search area. I wanted to take the screenshot from MS Word. What you do, click here, the cursor has to blink. Okay, then you take screenshot. Take the screenshot and there is an option here. Or else you take screen clipping and whichever screen area you want. For example, I want only this much. Click and drag and leave. Then automatically that comes to the disk. Okay, understood? So one more time I'm going to tell Explorer. So open File Explorer. Okay, go to D drive, F drive I will take. So whatever F drive I have, I wanted to have the screenshot. Then open MS Word, go to insert, take a screenshot, screen clipping, and click and drag from this area. See the image is applied. And go to again picture format, apply wrap text. In the wrap text area, top and bottom, or set this to behind text. See where it's went. It's went to up, it seems. Then bring down. Clear? Any doubts? Okay na? So again take this to top and bottom. Apply behind text or front of the text. Decrease this. That's all. So this is how you have to work for picture, shapes, screenshot. This much you practice. Okay. What is assignment has to be done? uh, whatever I taught you, the same thing you create and you send me in PDF copy or WhatsApp. Okay, so open again. Okay, one more thing is, whenever you create the shapes, okay, I wanted to have a header and footer. Okay, header and footer must be SGM Computer Education Institute address, and bottom side your name, your mobile number, so on has to be mentioned. Okay, now let's say how to create a header for document. So go to insert, there is a option called as header itself. Click on header. In the header part, directly you go for edit header. This is the first option. Second option is, just you double click in this header part and automatically is activated. Then what you do, so type SGM Computer Education. So select the text, increase, set this to center, and change the font. What is the font is to be? I can take Cooper Black. Then press enter key and again set this to normal, Arial, and font is to be 14. Next, what you do is apply a shape now. Click and drag. Then in the shape format, do not fill any color. See, there is no color for this. And again, take another duplicate copy and apply. What happened now? Okay. Next, go to insert. If you want page number, go to page number here. Okay. So insert bottom of the page. See, if you apply page number, it's coming like this. So direct first you apply the page number. Page number colon, increase this and set this to center. Then you take a shape how I have taught you. In the same manner you take, and don't take any fill color, and you type name and decrease this, and again duplicate copy here, and what you wanted to type it inside this shape, mobile number. So right click, add the text, name this as mobile number. Mobile number, select, increase this. Remove the space. Move. Then if you when you come out from the header and footer, and let's see, is it applied for all the pages now? See, it's applied now. And still if you are looking one line, horizontal line, go to insert, draw a shape like this, take a line first, click and drag. Okay, and increase this width and change the color, and decrease this. See now what is happening? Page number 3, just you keep on press enter key, page number 4 also coming. See the bottom, see what is the page number here? Page number 4. Go up and see the page number 3. Again you go up, page number 2, and you can see all the things. Okay. So still if you are looking one border or outside border, double click, go to insert. What you do, take a shape, click and drag. Okay, so just apply the color. Okay, you can say sir it's not text is not showing. Correct, huh? What you do, go to shape format, fill, and take this no fill. Correct, huh? But take the box how much you want, as you like. Okay, next in this area I want to have a logo. Okay, so how do you want a logo here? Again picture in this document, and I'm going to take a desktop area and I have a logo. Click insert, decrease the image size, then behind text, and bring picture format front of the text, left hand side. Okay, and click outside. See what happened in all pages. You have area in this format you create it, and a letterhead format. Okay, header and footer in MS Word, and save this. 2D, same thing you do it. Clear? Can I expect in this next class whatever I have done? Okay, if you say okay, in the next class I will teach you some more things. So today I completed header, footer, page number, then shapes, picture, picture format, screenshot, that that things and all. Okay, so whenever you get a project in colleges and all, you can make use of the smart art, that I will tell you in next class. Okay, so first you practice and you let me know about this. Okay, Yogita, hello. Yesho,
Yes, sir.
did you understand ma?
Yes, sir.
So in the assignment part, you have to practice, and you have to send me this one, and don't delete any assignment whatever you are practicing until end of your course. You have to bring this print copy, or you have to send me once again, and you have to submit all the assignments. Okay.
Yes, sir.
ಯಶು,
ಹಾ ಮಾಮ
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಮಾಮ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು.
Okay, fine. So I'm going to stop now. So you